Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells, and today's video is going to be a B&M and the Range haul. So there's two different brands in this, and there's a couple of items that I thought were quite good to show you guys. But before we get into this haul, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff I always do at the beginning, just to get pretty much most of it out of the way. I just want to say that I am not sponsored by any of the brands that I do show you, or B&M or the Range, because they're not sponsoring me, and basically I am buying it out of my own money, and this is just an advice video for you guys to see what is decent and what's going on in these two places. So I just wanted to make that very clear. Also, if you like the content of this video and you like anything that you see, then give it a massive thumbs up, because I know that you do like these. I know that you do already like these hauls, but that thumb button just tells me even better that you are liking this more. To be fair, it will promote the video out further across the board so guys can see it and get the advice that they need. If you like the content of my channel, or you like my channel as a whole, then please do not forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button to tazwells12, and you can join the little love family like a lot of you are. So if you're new, just hit subscribe and join the little love family, and you are more than welcome. There is a clickable button on my main page for Instagram and Twitter. Just some other social medias, sometimes they have a little bit of different content on there, so definitely check them two out, please. I think that's everything, so let's get into the B&M and the Range haul. Just before I start this video, I just want to explain that I did something a little bit stupid. I actually promised you guys that I would come with a receipt every single time that I did one of these videos, but because I've had these items a couple of days, I've destroyed the receipts, because I'm obviously not taking any of these items back. I'm sorry guys, but I pretty much know a good decent price. I will tell you that as best as I can, but I thought I'd explain that very quickly. I think the first place that we should start with is B&M, and I have a total of 3 items, and I will go through them all now. The first item is this black bin. Yes, this may be a little bit boring, but if anyone is trying to move house or looking for a bin, B&M had some quite good ones. I looked at a few places, but I didn't really like them, or they were a bit too extortionate. They were going to about £8, and I was like, £8 for a little bin? No. I saw this one in B&M, thought it was great, and I loved it because it was just plain black. It had obviously these like little arrow designs, tribal design on it, but I thought it was quite nice. It looks really like, it's matte. It's just lovely for a bin, to be fair. Like, it's just nice. Just a pushy pedal bin, so that's it. And it just comes down really nicely, and that obviously has got the little bucket thing inside. And this was the main New England inspired. This is a 3-litre textured bin, removable inner bucket with handle for easy emptying, so that's great. And this was only at the price of £6. There was bigger ones, but they were £7 I think, but they didn't have this design. I either wanted a grey, like a really dark grey bin, or a black. So I thought, you know what, actually let's go for black. Black's a lot more nicer, and this should hopefully last us a little while, but for £6 for that, I thought it was really good. Then I saw on another YouTuber these, and they were quite interesting. I was like, I want to try them, and they are these. I've already opened them, by the way, and it's these. And I thought these seemed like as a nice, as a little treat. These weren't expensive. They were literally like a pound for these, and you get 6 mini bags in there. These are the main lard cookies. They're in the birthday cake minis. So there's 98 calories in per bag, and these are a special edition, and they're meant to look like that, with the little coloured sugar bits in it, I'm guessing. By the way, these are very, very sweet. You don't get many in a bag, but the amount that you do, it's perfect because they are very, very sweet. When I tasted the first one, I was like, wow, is this like a sugar cookie? Obviously, everyone's tried the Maynard's normal chocolate chip ones, lovely. They taste like a cookie, but these, because I think they're small and they've got like little sugar bits in, these taste a lot sweeter. I think these are really, really nice. Like I said, they're good for like a little treat if you want something after a dinner or just to have a little sugar boost. Very, very, very nice. Like I said, they're only £1. They're not for eating all the time, but they're in just these individual little packets, and they're good for that. They're good for £1 and they are tasty, but just mind, they are very, very sweet. The last item that I got from B&M was something I needed for the garden. So we've already got a watering can, so I just needed something to go on the end, like the spritzer that you get that spritzes all the water out, so it doesn't come out as all in one. I thought, right, I'll just have a look in here just to see if B&M do it, because they do quite a range of stuff, and they actually did. And I learned that this is called a rose. This is what it is, and this is for the gardener's corner for the great outdoors, new improved quality. So it's just literally, this is quite good actually. I've not tried it out yet because obviously it's still in the packet, but what I was impressed about was this is all like silicone, you can't see that, and then there's the metal bit with all the little holes. That's why I said like a spritzer, like a sprinkler. And then on the back, the bit comes out the back, but this is all silicone, so you can go for any watering can. It'll fit any watering can because it says universal watering can rose. And I was like, oh my god, that's really good for this price. This was only priced at £1 I thought, you know what, how good is this? Yeah, literally it's like, it moves, so it's not stiff, so it should fit around any watering can for £1. I thought I was going to pay a lot more than that. I thought I was going to pay about £2 or £3. So for the fact that I got this for £1, if this breaks, you can always go and get another one, and it's cheap as chips. Now we're going to move on to the range. I have been looking for towels everywhere. As we are clearly in a pandemic at the moment, not very many shops are open. At this point, it is very hard to find decent houseware that you want at a decent price and a decent quality. Obviously, at the moment, there's only certain shops open, so it's really, really hard. I was looking online for ages. There was some on Dummel. I was going to order that in a sale, and I missed out, unfortunately, on that. So we had to lose out there. So then I was going to go for Tesco. One was at the colour I wanted, but the other one wasn't, so I had to leave that. Because obviously then we went into the range, I managed to find these massive bath sheets. Honestly, they are huge. Okay, so if I turn this around for the label, and these are really, really soft actually, really, really nice. That's what my main point was. A lot of towels that I tried and I touched, any place that was open, the towels didn't feel that nice. These actually feel really soft. They might get a little bit harder when you start to wash them and everything, but they might keep their softness. I really don't know. It's something I'm gonna have to try. But they've got like this little design on it with the 3 lines, but they're really soft. You can probably see how soft they are at the moment. These are for the Divinites, I think it is. So D-I-V-A-N-T-E, and that must be the range of it. Highly absorbent, ultra soft feel, perfect for everyday use. And these are the bath sheets actually. So this is bath sheet dark grey. This is 100 times 150. These are absolutely huge. These are what we needed. I wanted a big towel, I wanted them soft, and I wanted dark grey, and I wanted another colour I will show you in 2 secs. I wanted these because I love white towels, but don't get me wrong, white towels go a little bit horrible after a while, and they go a little bit off colour, I think. I was really happy that we could get some dark grey ones because these are really, really nice. These are proper dark grey. And these were only at the price of £12.99. £12.99 for a towel, a bath sheet, in fact, is amazing price, because I was looking on other places and they were coming up like 17 to a lot more money than it's in their 20s for a bath sheet. The fact that we got these for £12.99 each and they're good quality, I'm pretty happy with that. As on the same note as the last item, I actually said that I wanted another colour, and this was the colour. I actually got it in black too, but this towel is a little bit different and it's in a different range because that range didn't have any black ones. They are both the same with being bath sheets, but this one has got a little bit of a different design. I'll come closer so you can see. So it's got one stripe in the on the top, and it's just got these little bubble bits on, and it's still really nice. It didn't really matter that they don't match. At the end of the day, I just wanted some black ones and I wanted some dark grey ones, so that's the best. These are obviously in a different range, as you can see up here. So these are the deluxe towel, and they only had one of these. Luckily my partner has his already. He has a black one. I think he might have got that from Asda, but that was yonks ago, but that seems to do him really well. That's a massive towel, or it might be a bath sheet. I'm not quite sure what he got it in. I already had a black one, so I wanted a black one, and then we got two grey ones. This is the deluxe towel black bath sheet, 100 times 150, so they're exactly the same size. Zero twist, luxurious, soft and fluffy. But you can see, like, again, this just feels as nice. Like, if these are perfect, I will be totally going back to get them from the range if they are good quality, because obviously at the moment we've got 2 towels each, which will be enough, but you never know, they want some more in the future and stuff when you have people staying, or you need to, they get a bit horrible, a bit banky. This is a testing game for me at the same time. Like I said, the feel of them are so nice, because you want to put a towel around you when you get out of a shower or bath. Put a lovely big towel around you, beautiful, and it's the best feeling in the world. And this was at the same price, £12.99 too. The very last item of this haul, and I had been looking for this for ages at the range. It is crazy how much I was always looking online for it, and it was out of stock. I was always going in the store when I have ever had a look, never find it. I thought on this occasion I'd just have a quick look for it, and I actually found it, and it's this item. I am so happy about this because this is unreal. I know it's the very simplest of things, and it's probably really easy to make as well. It's just this wooden sign up top, and then it just has the Wi-Fi password is, and then this chalk bit at the bottom where you actually write your password on there. It's just a little bit that you can show around in your house, so if people come in there and they can put in your Wi-Fi password, so it's easier to use. You don't have to go and find it, it's there on the board. If you write it very clear, they'll be able to get it straight away. I wanted this for ages, and the range have these at a really good price, so you ever see these, definitely pick them up, because these are £1.99 in there. This is the cheapest I found, because I thought, okay, if the range are doing them that cheap at £1.99, somewhere else may do them cheaper or a little bit more expensive. I think I would have gone to like £3 at the most, but a lot of people were doing these for like £5, £6, £7, and I was like, wow, I am not buying that. I like it, I want it, but I'm not paying that price. I was really happy to see they had absolutely loads in there. They got a new stock for the new year, and it was only £1.99, which I thought was really, really good. Unfortunately, that was the last item of this haul, and this has come to the end of the video. I hope that you've liked the products I have shown you. I've tried to get a good range out there. There's some good home bits, some very random bits. I like showing you guys these items, because even if I get like 1 or 2 items to do a haul video, it's still better than none, because at the end of the day you might be looking for the same item and then see this video and then be like, oh, actually B&M have got something, or we can have a look in there, vice versa, so you know what's going on. And I even watch these videos when I want to buy something myself. It just helps you out. You can see a lot better if people test it out or wear it, or showing on here, you can just get a better look of the whole. So these videos are really good, and I do like doing them for you guys, and I do like watching them myself. But like I said, it has come to the end of the video. If you did like the video or any of the products I did show you, then give it a big massive thumbs up. Like I said at the beginning, if you're new and you want to join the Little Love family, then please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, because the notification bell will also tell you when I've uploaded a new video like this. I am not sponsored. Click the extra little clickable button on my main page of YouTube to check out my other social medias. And I think that is it. Thank you for watching as always. I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will all see you soon. Bye.